Non-contact digital infrared thermometer, measure body temperature anytime technology to meet your needs. Using the high-precision digital infrared thermometer on UMIDIGI A7S, you can track your body temperature and monitor physical health anytime and anywhere, making your daily life healthier. The independent shortcut key on the left side of UMIDIGI A7S can be easily customized as quick access to infrared thermometer, push-to-talk and other frequently used apps. Just set the independent shortcut key to do it for you. Expand your perspective, 120 degrees ultra-wide-angle camera, enjoy the grand view with the ultra-wide-angle lens, just like how your eyes see, and record it all in just one shot. With the enhanced portrait bokeh effects of the depth lens, make your main subject come to life with a blurred background effect. Have an immersive viewing experience on a 29 aspect ratio 6.53-inch large full-screen display. While the in-cell technology gives you brilliant color and wide viewing angles. Supported by a 4150 high-capacity battery, the UMIDIGI A7S lets you easily get through the whole day or more, giving you the freedom to leave the charger behind.